Hola a todos. Okay, so here we are again in Mi Voca because the owner, the man who's created it, he's called Rick Moore, who I've talked to a few times. He's fixed any of the glitches that were there, and he's also added something else which I'm going to show you. So we've got the flashcards. So you say tener, hang on. Can we hear that?
Tener.
Ah,
To have. Tener.
tener. Okay, so that's quick. And then if you want to have it in English and then you have to choose the Spanish, you just switch language, and then you're going to have tener, tap to reveal. I know well. Let's have a look. Series, serie, I know well. How are you? Oh, how are you today? So, ¿cómo estás hoy? Let's have a look. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás hoy? Well done. So, know well. All right, so that's your flashcards. You can change the lesson depending on whether you want to go from English to Spanish or Spanish to English. Then we've got sentence fill, which we saw last time. The last time we kept getting the word series all the time, serie. Now I've got 10 questions. So mi hermana va a la todos los días. Where would he go? La escuela. Yeah. So you can work it out without seeing the English, or you can see the English. My sister goes to school every day. Escuela. Okay. Juan es mi mejor del colegio. Well, that's got to be amigo, hasn't it? Let's have a look. Juan is my best friend from school. Amigo. Okay, so that's how you do the sentence fill. It's nice, and you can test yourself without having the English. Then we've got stories. Now, I believe that you have to upgrade to get these stories, but you can get a story, it generates a story 80 to 100 words using your saved vocabulary. Okay, so it's using the vocab that you have put into the app. So we generate it, and then you've got a story here. En una casa grande vivía un gato llamado Thomas. Thomas era un juguetón, muy juguetón y siempre corría por la casa. So it creates a story with the words that you have got into your, obviously, the more words you get, the more the story is going to be something that you can relate to. Let's see my progress. Let's have a look. Probably not that good because, hang on, I know well. Look at all those that I know well. Soy un crack. Okay, and then we'll have a look at the plans just so you can see. And just so you know, this is not something I'm doing to earn any money from this app. I'm just showing it because I think it's nice. So it's free. And when you sign up, you get 14-day free trial of all of the features. And then if you wanted to continue, then it's $2.99 a month or $29 a year. And that gives you all of the features. What Rick has said is that he is going to work on including a pronunciation tester. So it gives you a word, you have to pronounce it into your microphone, and then it tells you how well you've done or not. So that might be interesting as well, eh? So that's Mi Boca. Now everything's working, everything's wonderful. Okay, and I hope that it helps you for those who like this kind of thing. It's great for repetition and for getting the words to stick into your mind. Bueno, chicos, eso es todo. Hasta luego.